Time dictates the cost of labor. In the physical world, industrial manufacturing drove down costs by accelerating assembly lines to their absolute mechanical limits. In the digital world, we process thoughts sequentially. Humans type character by character. Traditional language models mimic this, predicting and generating text one word at a time, strictly left to right. Looking at this side-by-side comparison, the left shows traditional models stacking words sequentially. But on the right, Google's DiffusionGemma approaches text differently. It renders a grid of 256 tokens instantly, all at once. By rendering text simultaneously rather than word by word, the time required for generation is no longer tied to the length of the sentence, a shift that challenges the traditional sequential cost per token model. To see how this works, we have to look at Google's two sibling models. Gemma 4 is the flagship autoregressive engine, built specifically for multi-step logic and complex planning. Its experimental counterpart, DiffusionGemma, relies on a mixture of experts architecture, meaning it routes tasks to specific, smaller subnetworks rather than running the entire model at once. While it houses 26 billion parameters in total, it only activates 3.8 billion of them during any given inference step. This keeps the memory footprint tight and the computational overhead low. Gemma 4 invests compute time into ensuring high-quality logic. DiffusionGemma prioritizes absolute blistering execution speed for local deployment. By moving away from left-to-right generation, developers can trade analytical depth for pure velocity. Instead of guessing the next word, the model uses Uniform State Diffusion. It starts with a 256-token canvas filled entirely with random noise and refines the whole sequence simultaneously. During this refinement, every token communicates with every other token through bidirectional self-attention. Because all 256 words are cross-referencing each other at the exact same time, the mathematical complexity is O(n) squared per step. In this 256-cell grid, it passes its entire probability distribution forward, creating a continuous working memory. Under the entropy-bound acceptance rule, confident tokens solidify, while uncertain areas are continuously renoised. The denoising cycle monitors the overall uncertainty of the canvas. Once that average entropy stops changing, a mechanism called adaptive early stopping kicks in and automatically halts the process. Structured templates in code often converge in just 12 steps, achieving impossible generation speeds that sequential systems simply cannot match. Traditional models face a bottleneck. GPUs sit idle, waiting for massive KV cache files for every generated word. DiffusionGemma flips this, calculating 256 tokens of parallel to saturate the tensor cores and bypass memory retrieval. When paired with the native 4-bit floating point formatting on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, this compute saturation yields speeds exceeding 1,100 tokens per second. By saturating the tensor cores with parallel work, the system masks memory retrieval latency, decoupling output volume from the speed of the hardware's databus. You might assume these extreme speeds are restricted solely to standard text prompts, but as this diagram illustrates, the model's encoder natively processes interleaved inputs. It handles text documents, variable resolution photographs, and even video files simultaneously to generate text. Most visual diffusion models are designed to generate images. DiffusionGemma uses the process in reverse, using diffusion to process video specifically to generate high-speed text analysis. Analyzing multimodal inputs at diffusion speeds expands the types of cognitive labor that can be automated at high throughput. Looking 3 to 5 years out, autoregressive models are not going to disappear. Instead, they will specialize. Autoregressive systems will serve as the deep thinkers, reserved for complex planning, long context chat, and intricate agentic loops. In this dual-engine architecture, diffusion models act as high-speed coprocessors, handling ultra-fast local editing, real-time code infilling, and high-volume battery writing. If you want to understand the mechanics driving these industry shifts, like, share, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs. AI is already cheaper than human labor, and with diffusion delivering hundreds of tokens in a single pass, the sheer volume of available output is shifting from a scarcity to a commodity.